smoking the Carabao Cup now suddenly means everything to everybody, Pack. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, yes, well, the Carabao Cup is beneath a club like Arsenal. Don Robin told us when he was speaking to his nephew, Flex, when Man United won it. All the super gooners around the world. This is why I don't rate the cup. This is why I have no interest in it. Oh, we don't want the Dusty Cup. Oh, my God, look at the state of this. Oh, we don't want that. We want the majors. The majors. The majors. But now, Jesus is resurrected. He puts an R9 performance in tonight. You've never watched R9 if you thought that was an R9 performance. Don't worry though, guys. Don't worry though, guys. Because we're in phase 5. Phase 5. Yeah? I've been sitting here for the longest saying, yo, give me the League Cup. Give me the League Cup and he can stay. My words. I say it every day. And I have done for time. All season. Win the League Cup, you can stay. These top super gooners are all out here giving it the Bertie about, oh, we don't, oh, no, the League Cup. Why'd you all watch it then? It's beneath Arsenal. It's beneath a club like us. Your words. Your own words, your very own words were, this cup is beneath a club like Arsenal. It's a shit cup. It's an energy drink cup. Man United had an easy route to the final. Blah, 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 blah. Well, we've played Bolton, Preston, and Palace. So which one is it, lads? Funny old game, isn't it? It's a funny old game, lads. It's a funny old game. Listen, smash the like button through the roof. Through the roof. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. Big up Expressions, always. Make sure you sub to him as well. Expressions oozing and that. He might not be oozing tomorrow if Man United dunk on his head top, bruv. His brother will be oozing. We got there in the end. Oh, I don't want to hear anybody, any of these super gooners, sitting there talking about officiating ever again, by the way. Because our second goal was clearly offside. Clearly offside. To be fair, and we'll go through the team in a minute. To be fair, all 3 goals that we scored, great goal. Every single one of them. Every single one of them goals was quality. Yeah, to be fair, both of theirs were. Oh, and that reminds me. I think the last player to score a hat-trick at this club, and I may be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm not, and leave it in the comments if I am. Pretty sure the last guy to score a hat-trick at our football club was, oh yeah, Eddie Nketiah. The King of Zamunda, who, by the way, that was his first goal in 29 games. First goal in 29 games. Wow. Leapt like a salmon. Bosh. Great goal as well. But anyway, let's start with our goalkeeper. Couldn't really do anything with either goal, if we're honest. However, he needs to stop coming out of his goal. 1 minute he's over there, then he's over there, then he nearly got lobbed from the halfway line, then he's here. Bro, stop. Please. Anyway, let's move on. Kieran Tierney FC. Kieran Tierney, the bomber, has landed. David Ornstein, the brown envelope, the biggest brown envelope on the whole of social media and in the industry, as he likes to call it. Oh, yes, well, the word in the industry is, mate, you're a brown envelope. Hold that. Yeah. So literally 10 minutes after the game ends, the bomber is dropped. Kieran Tierney, we are not extending the contract with the year option that we have. Oh, but Lee got injured. Okay, cool. He got injured. Whoopie-doo, which is why he shouldn't have played in the first place. Yeah, amazing how many of these players get injured when they come to Arsenal, innit? But then when they leave Arsenal, they don't get injured again, i.e. Smith Rowe. How comes he's not injured? He's been fit and available all season. It's amazing how players come to our football club, Declan Rice, Thomas Partey, they never have injury problems. But then they come to Arsenal and they're injured all the time. Why was our manager throwing Kieran Tierney back on the pitch, by the way? Gaffer, I'm injured. Hold that. Sit down. Kulkat. My Romanian G's. Yeah? Sit down. Sit down. Good dog. Yeah, Kulkat. Sit. 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 What did he think it was win? Why did he throw him back on the pitch? And then the bomber lands. The bomber. Why did David Ornstein get allowed to tweet that, which has been in the pipe for a while, by the way? Yeah. Why has he been allowed to tweet that 10 minutes after the game finished? Why? To deflect you away from that absolute shit show we have just watched. That game was a disgrace in that first half. The second half, cool. We turned it around. Whoopie-doo. Well done. We're through. I'm happy we're through, by the way. However, that performance stunk. That stunk. Kieran Tierney, bless up, mate. Smash it wherever you go. You're a proper player, mate. Putting him on a plate for shillings. Yeah. Oh, you haven't seen the best of me. Well, we have, mate. And it was Kevin De Bruyne laying him on a plate. Backsticks happens. Oh, you can't even do that anymore. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's go to the opposite side. Thomas Family Gathering. He played like he was looking for feds at half time. It was almost like he was looking over his shoulder. Oh, shit, they're waiting for me, bro. Like, what's going on? That one of them ones. Fucking get out of here, bruv. He was awful. Why are we playing him at right back? Why? When we have a right back in Timber on the pitch. Why? We're playing our best midfielder at right back. Centre back, centre mid, fucking, he was everywhere. Yeah. In fact, at one point in that game, he was at number 10. And then he gets hooked. Maybe they were. Who knows? Yeah, leave it in the comments, lads. Let's go to our centre backs. Oh dear. Kivior. Man like Mateta, bruv, just went, move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Bitch. Get out the way. Well done, Mateta. Their biggest cock up tonight was taking him and Eze off. Yeah, real talk. If they kept them on, they probably would have won the game. Yeah, or it would have gone pens. Let's go Timber. Timber was awful in that first half. Yeah, and he weren't much better in the second half. We'll move on because he's actually been all right this season. However, Kivior, 27 mil has not been spoken about. But don't worry, guys. That's why I'm here. Yeah, because these super gooners love to deflect. They don't rate the League Cup, but they all sat and watched it tonight. Cool. They'll all gas it up like it's the second coming of the Champions League if we actually win this. Because Super Duper Mick, who they love, they can't wait for him to win another trophy. Well, you're going to have to wait because he'll probably bottle it against whoever we play in the next round. But anyway, let's go into midfield. Jorginho. The calming presence. You're a scrub. Leave. Let's move on. Mikel Merino. 38 million euros. With 1 year left on his contract, we pay for this guy. 130 grand a week. Why? Oh, because his name's Mikel. Cool. You're a scrub. You can fuck off back to Sociedad, fella. Yeah, real talk. Real talk. You can go. Oh, but he's going to unlock Martinelli. What, did he leave the key in Sociedad? Ethan. Sacrificed at half time. Easy to take the 17-year-old off, isn't it? And the player, Thomas Partey, that you've played out of position again. Cool. Ethan, get out while you can, fella. Let's go to the right wing. Shillings. You ain't seen the best of me. Yes, we have. Kevin De Bruyne, you owe him half of your salary at least. Yeah. All the trophies that you have in your gaff, in your multi-million-pound gaff. Yeah, the multi-million-pound car collection that you have, you owe most of that to Kevin De Bruyne. Yeah, and you can hold that. Yeah, you are shit. You are finished. You are done. Why are you at my football club? It's what it is. Let's go to the other side. Trossardinho. Well, he ain't Trossardinho anymore, is he? Is Trossard no Iderio? Yeah, the amount of times Kieran Tierney was arguing with him on the pitch today was crazy. Give me the ball. 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 And it's taking a billion touches. Nah, get out of here. Gabby Jesus. Well done, mate. Well done, mate. That's now 4 goals in 33 games. Well done. 4 in 33. Right, you scored against Preston and a hat-trick against Crystal Palace. Yeah, and we've got all the super gooners out there, the usual suspects, Jigglypuff and all them, man. Oh, our 9 performance. This is exactly why, we don't need a striker in January, they're all saying. Cool. It's exactly why this club's fucked, because of people like them. Yeah, and there's millions of them that have infested this football club. Yeah, second half, Odegaard came on. Fantastic. Absolutely superb in that second half when he came on. Well done to you, mate. Yeah. And I'm one of his biggest critics. Yeah. Martin Odegaard in that second half, superb. Absolutely quality. Fair play to him. Fair play to him. Lewis Skelly, I didn't think was great when he came on. Who else came on? I can't even remember, bruv. Oh, Gabriel Magalhaes came on. But that was right at the death. Yeah, that was after Eddie, the King of Zamunda, scored. Who else did we have come on? I can't even remember. The game was so dead. Who else? Oh, Saliba. Saliba came on at halftime. Of course he did. Of course he did. Yeah, he done all right. But then again, he didn't do all right. Are you getting out jumped by Eddie and Nketiah, bruv? Then again, he's got to cover that scrub Kivior. Is what it is. Bukayo Saka, yeah, all the stats are running around. Oh, only Mohamed Salah has more GA. Yeah, more goal contributions this season. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, cool. Bukayo Saka, we know what we're getting with Bukayo Saka. Yeah. I'm shocked we even brought him on, if I'm being completely honest. But it is what it is. This is what this manager does. And yeah, overall, shit show. But we are in the next round. And I want to win it. So now you better win it, mate. Yeah, you play like that against any of them teams left in it. Fanita, por favor. Done. We're out. Cronky out. Hold that. Oh, by the way, Kenny's up next. Jez, Matty, emergency meeting. We need to dissect this. But anyway, we're out. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Sub.